Welcome back to the Spanglish show of Los Boris on the road. If you're new here, I'm Shey, and somewhere in there is L.A. and we recently bought a 250 Ford Transit, and we are converting this baby on our tiny home on wheels. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and do all that stuff, and make sure you hit that bell thingy. That way you'll get notified when we update a new video. We're trying to do once a week, but sometimes life gets in the way, but we'll be back here in this channel. So make sure you subscribe. Bye. So el plan de hoy is I'm gonna be cutting the Thinsulate y ponerlo on the walls and on the hoyitos and everywhere where we can fit it in here. For this area right here, I just cut a huge piece and then I did some cutting because I think it's easier and it'll stay in place rather than cutting tiny pieces by itself. Does it make sense? Let me show you. This is very complicated, you know. That was a workout. It's hot. So we are done with insulation only on the little hoyitos of the guagua. Now we gotta do the walls. So for the walls, I cut few panels and we're just gonna do 5 on towards the back and then 4 towards the front, and then we're just gonna use Gorilla Tape in between because we're trying to avoid the glue spray because eso apesta rayos and I can't handle that. Yeah, I cannot handle that smell because if not, it'll send me to the hospital. So we're just gonna try to use the tape and not use the chemicals. So we'll see how it goes. Out of tape. So that means that now we have to go to the store again. Llegó el chef. Ahora, ¿quién puede trabajar con esta jaltera que nos acabamos de dar? Yeah, I'm super full right now, but still we gotta do this, we gotta work so we can finish this van quickly. Alright, so lo que estamos haciendo es we are marking where we're gonna do the bed, the shower, the bench, the kitchen, and that's it. After that, we're gonna start with the walls, like framing the walls. Okay, so our van has this pre-holes and we are trying to use those, so we went ahead and got this, what is it,
M8.
that way we use those pre-existing holes, using this and adding some white paint here, coming from the inside when he's holding the piece of wood here, that way we can know where to drill the hole. Yay! Don't follow our instructions. We're not professionals, so if you want to do it the right way, just hire a professional. If not, do it yourself. Why not, right? I'm so proud of us. I'm such a freaking. Okay, so last week we put the subfloors on, but we realized that when I was cutting the panels, I cut like around here because there was this black thing that goes over here when you step into the van, and I was not counting on that, so the wood was like all the way here, so we added this extra piece to make it flush to the entrance. Estoy tratando de hacer unos window covers con reflectives and some tela. We did window covers for our SUV. That's how we fell in love with this Vanlife thing. So if you haven't seen that video, go back, check that out. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Ya estamos super tired. It was a super hot day, so we're just gonna call it a day. And little recap, we did insulation on the walls, on the rotitos, like around these areas. We did it at the bottom. We started doing framing for the walls, and we also marked the floor. That's it for today. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, just skip. Bye. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.